I found maybe $50 worth of stuff on the floor today.
Wait, do you get to keep them?
No one claimed them.
You can claim them?
Yeah.
Okay, is there a price for them?
What?
Is there a price for them?
Well, I'm guessing.
You're guessing it.
I'm guessing the price.
Okay.
I found two
Do you have
mags.
to like buy them?
What?
Or if you like just claim them and they're for free?
Well, I found it on the floor and no one no one claimed it. No one said it was theirs.
I mean, yesterday I used one on Sparky's truck.
I
He's
took it.
invincible, I guess.
Here, you can have it.
Wait, Sparky? I threw it at Sparky's truck, right under it. He just drives away. I was like, Jesus, that was way too close. Yeah,
He's got our position pretty good, Ronan. I don't know if you want to move. Careful, straight. Guy with the helmet, careful, straight ahead in that wood structure over there. There's at least two.
Yo, dude. Could have been with me and Tyler yesterday. It was wild. Like,
head!
boy,
Good head! 3 or 4 what?
3 or 4 other veterans. When he was doing fucking SF shit, jumping through the trees and all that. Fun as fuck.
Watch me shoot Hector.
I slowly just became the comms unit guy.
Watch me
Like,
shoot
whatever,
Hector.
fuck it.
We can.
Hey, watch it.
I can't escape my MOS. Pump action pistol.
Hit. Where'd I get hit from?
There's a lot of ricochets coming through. So.
I got nothing.
In that wood building, you know, like looks like.
I'll just call it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I bet it was a ricochet, but I don't know. What?
Wanna go trench?
Yeah, let me just get back in.
I know!
You got a knife?
Nah.
You want a knife?
Yeah. Well, I have one. It's not mine. I mean, I have one. I gave it to my friend because his gun isn't working. Yes.
Back. Come on, Brett.
Told you. Shit makes you winded. Would you like that? No, don't die. Yeah. Would you like to have a try? Try to kill someone.
Trade ya.
Need an extra mag? Let me know.
Can I shoot that?
So you gotta ask him.
Yeah, Beth. Should be. No, here, let me bolt it for you. It's a little bit difficult. Oh yeah.
Yay.
It's really hard to do it with my right hand, considering I'm left-handed.
I'm left-handed.
Yeah, you might want to lay down and shoot that.
It's hard to keep it
I
steady.
cannot even hold it. I'm weak.
Here, let's set up the bipod for him. You want to lay down and try it?
Yes.
You're gonna want to unclip your. Yeah.
I thought the dude was shooting at us. I was about to be like,
Really, motherfucker?
Tango's in mine shaft, over.
go on, make him be like, 10-4, dude.
Yeah.
Should I shoot the ref?
No,
No.
you'll get kicked
North
out.
side of mine shaft from what I can see.
It is.
It's funny, but you'll get kicked out.
Here you go,
I
bud.
don't even think I'll make it that
Here,
far.
I'll even
My
do this
bullets
for
have been
you.
dragging.
Okay.
So lay right down.
Okay.
Don't shoot the teammate.
Alright, you're all good to go. I'll propose my empty pistol. Oh, imagine if you missed.
Dude, that SSG-10 must be super light.
Damn, I have 1 round. I'm gonna make it count. This shit hurts. Don't get it wrong. It's a pistol, but yeah.
Hey, I racked it back. So good.
Friendly in mine shaft on the north end again.
Where are these? 22.
One arm.
I gotta make sure they're not. What the?
Hit.
Kill
Where
anybody?
did you get hit from? What?
He's in there. Oh, I can't say. Fuck.
Here, take this.
Don't want to do that. You got about that?
Yeah, you're dead. I won't ask for information.
You died?
I'm assuming
died.
from in the fence. Be careful. He could probably see you still.
Hi, whoever's looking at me. Only if there was seagulls. I'm a medic. Come on.
Thanks.
How do you know how to do that?
More than a problem.